Hi guys, welcome to lesson 3 fluency video. We are going to be practicing estimating our products. So I would like you to have a pencil, paper, whiteboard marker for this part. And we are going to be trying to do as much of this in our head as possible. But if you need to write it down, I would definitely like you to write down your estimated product so you can check yourself. All right, so let's get started. Let me go to the next page and give myself a background. We'll do pink. All right. So let's estimate 421 times 18. I'm going to help you with this one to get started. Remember, we're rounding to the largest place value of each number. So 421 would round to 400. 18 is going to round up to 20. So now, remember, we can just think of unit form, 400s times 2 10s. Well, 400s times 2 10s is going to give us 800s. Or I shouldn't say that. 4 times 2 is going to give us 8. Hundreds times tens is going to give us thousands. And we can easily check ourselves by seeing how many zeros are in the factors. And that's how many zeros should be in our product. So the estimated answer is 8,000. So this is what I want you to write down. And this side, the factor side, the estimating side, is the side that I'd like you to try to do in your head. So let's go ahead. Oh man, I didn't want to press that button. This is the button. All right, let's try again. So let's do 1,950 times 42. Okay, let's go ahead and round. Hopefully you can see it in your head. And if you're not there yet, that's why we're practicing fluency this way. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the largest place value to give you a little help. Remember, you look to the place to the next door to it, to the right of the place that we're rounding to. We're looking for the midpoint, which is 5. So if it's above 5, we round up. If it's below 5, we round down. Now we're working on 2 times 4. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. And then I have thousands times tens, which would give us tens of thousands. Or 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And then that's how many zeros are in my product. All right, good job. The estimated answer for this math problem is 80,000. Ready to do it again? All right, 2,480 times 47. Oops, I didn't actually want 47, but we're going to use it. I wanted 27. Oh well. 2,480. Okay, remember, we're highlighting the largest place values and we're rounding to those. Or I highlight to just visualize it. I don't really have to highlight. Well, looking to the right of our place values, I can see 2,480 is rounding down, and I can see that 47 rounds up. Now I'm working on 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And then I'm working on thousands times tens, which I know is tens of thousands. Can I get that fourth zero in there? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, but this is a tricky one because the first part of our multiplying was 5 times 2, right? So there's the 10, then there should be 4 zeros on top of that. Don't allow those moments to trick you because that can trick you. A lot of people will forget one of these zeros because they just used the trick of counting the zeros in the numbers or in the factors. Well, we did 10 first, and then there should be 4 zeros with it. Okay, so just be careful with that. All right, one more, and then we're going to move on to the lesson. Let's just make one up. Let's do 5,999 times. Let's do 68. Okay, so let's go ahead and round and estimate this product. Well, remember, we always are rounding when we estimate to the largest place value. So we're going to round up with this first number, and we're actually rounding up with the second factor. Now we're working on 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is, ooh, that's a tough factor. Before I say it, I'm going to let you think about it. Well, 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is one more group of 6, so that's 42. And then it's thousands times tens, which is tens of thousands. So that should be 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 420,000. All right, that's our fluency. You're warmed up. Let's go ahead and get ready to go on to our concept video. See you over there.